that keep standing? More than 7 years. Oh, more, okay. How about 10 years? Anyone here more than 10 years? 10 years? Yeah? 11? How about 11 years? More than 11 years with Synergy. 12 years? Okay, all right. Looking around, looking at all of you, thank you so much. Looking at all of you, just thinking back on all the memories that we've been able to have together. Today is about celebrating all of you. I want to thank all of my longtime friends. But before we keep going, I want to also ask this question. How many of you, this is your first Southeast Asia Summit? In other words, within 1 year, within 2-year period, please stand up. If you've only been with Synergy for 1 year or 2 years. All of our new people.